If you've recently become the proud owner of a new drone and looking into the best SD cards to ensure complete reliability in all weather conditions and environments, then take a look at Samsung's Pro Endurance MicroSD range. Available in 32GB, 64GB and 128GB, these cards are a perfect choice for capturing crucial moments and prolonged write-intensive applications, making them a great choice for use with your drone when simply swapping out your card whilst your drone is in flight isn't an option. You want complete reliability when you're capturing breathtaking aerial drone footage. Your drone may be out of sight or flying for extended periods of time in extreme weather conditions. The Samsung Pro Endurance MicroSD range have been rigorously tested with proven resistance to magnets, X-rays and water. In fact, they can withstand up to 72 hours in seawater and temperatures ranging from -25 to 85 degrees C. They continuously record up to 25 times longer than speed focus cards, giving you up to 43,800 hours on the largest capacity 128GB card. That's the equivalent of 5 years. Supporting 4K and Full HD, the Pro Endurance MicroSD range handles the large video files your drone will capture quickly and seamlessly, with read speeds up to 100 megabits per second and write speeds up to 30 megabits per second. They come with an SD adapter for increased compatibility, with a card in the range to suit most drones, including the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the DJI Phantom 4 Pro quadcopter drone that we sell here at Scan. The Pro Endurance range also secures your data with an industry-leading limited warranty up to 5 years, depending on the size of card you purchase. You can buy yours now at scan.co.uk.